Hey y'all, it's your girl Maria, and we are back with more reactions today. Okay, Thomas, thank you for your continued love and support of our channel. Thomas has given us another Beth Hart song, and I really like her. Inner Janis Joplin comes out when she starts singing. She's a total vibe all by herself, you know? Um, this one is a live performance from 2018 in the Royal Albert Hall. Song is called Caught in the Rain. So I'm very, very interested in hearing this one. And you already know if you want to show love and support to the artist and or myself, because you know you want to, remember it's in the description box below, right underneath the video. Roll on down there and check it out. My shameless plug, because I have no shame. What can I say? Please like, comment, share, subscribe, any or all, preferably all. You know that you want to. You can help a girl out. I'm just saying. But with that, let's go ahead and get started.
I'm under your spell. And it ain't nobody's business. I'm already there, child. And it ain't nobody's business. Shame. Every time he walks out the door, I wonder, is he ever coming back? I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe, and the how and the wind and the rough of his hand. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out, caught out in the rain.
I gotta say, this, like, in terms of the songs that we've covered from her, this one is much slower paced. But I love how emotional it sounds. Like, because it's like very bluesy and slowed down, but very intimate sounding. Like, I could picture this being in a dark, smoky room, and everybody's like in tables, almost like a jazz club, you know? Like, this is a really, really great song. And I love her interpretation of the song, how she's singing it, how she is really just making you feel what she's feeling, because there's an air of longing that she has in her voice when she sings this. I think this is a very interesting song, and I think I like seeing this side of her as well, because it's not as like up tempo, I guess, or not as like energy in your face kind of vibe on it. But I mean, every time I'm listening to her, I get like this all these different vibes of different styles, and I just wonder what her influences are, or who her influences have been in her career, because this is really good. I like it.
I heard him crying sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he's been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him he's gonna be alright. But I know that he knows that I'm just a lion. I heard he shot a man in the street, and it tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got caught out in the rain, in the rain.
Wow. Hello. So, is it just me? Or when she sings in this style, she sounds even more like Janis Joplin? I don't know why. I keep making the comparison to her. But I mean, she seriously just is a whole other energy all her own. And I mean, this is even like a really slowed down song, and it's still just as sultry as all of her other songs, which is pretty incredible because she's consistent in her style, but at the same time, she's not consistent in how she sings. And maybe I'm saying that reversed, but I mean, whenever I hear her sing, you know it's her. Like, she has a very distinct voice, and she's consistent in that sense, but she could really take just any kind of style and make it sound gritty and heartbreaking or energetic. Like, I don't even know how to articulate it the right way, because I know I'm not articulating it the way I would like to articulate it. But this is like super impressive. She's really great with this song. She's really great with the band. I mean, she has a great chemistry with her bands, or her band, I should say. Great chemistry there, and you can hear even in the harmonies with the guy who was on the guitar doing some of the backups. I mean, she has a great ear for what she wants her songs to sound like. I like it a whole lot.
I come round by the side of his bed. I look to the ceiling. I come down by the side of his bed. I look up to the ceiling. I say, God, don't take my man. 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 God, don't take my man.
Go ahead, ma'am. Hello. That was really interesting and awesome, and part of me feels like she's coming to us in the wrong era, and I'm glad she's here in this one, don't get me wrong, but like she has like that old soul sound to her, and I like, listen, she likes it, I love it. I think she's great at all of this. Like I said before, like if I could ever sing, would hope I could sound something even remotely close to that, because I think she has a great voice. I think she has a great style. I think she's unique, and I think she's very her voice is very unique as well. I liked it a lot, and yeah, we'll be hearing more of her. Trust, we will be hearing more of her. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Again, if you like the content, you know what to do. You know you'll want to do it. So just mosey down under the video into the description box, and I link ways for you to do that there. And also my shameless plug, because I have no shame. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and you're all, preferably all, you know that you want to. But in the meantime, live your lives fabulously, darlings, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.